12 days, 12 tree ornaments. Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along everyone to day 10 of the tree decorations, and day 10 is light bulbs. Wherein literally all the other decorations so far I've been making 6 of everything. This time, because these were really quick to make, I've done 12, and I've done them both 2 different ways. The plain wood ones, which the only decoration on there really was the gold gilt for the threaded part on the top, I actually turned these so that they were still held on the chuck at that end first of all, so that I could easily put the gold gilt around the threads with the lathe spinning. Left that with the tenon on 24 hours to dry, then I could put it back on the lathe and then just part it off, and that meant just then finishing off manually the bottom point of the bulb there, and that was fine. But I couldn't really do that properly with the coloured ones, because what I decided on here was that I wanted the majority of the colour, the brighter colour, at the point end of the bulb. Now I couldn't do that then the same way, so therefore I had to have it so that the tenon was still on this end, which allowed me to do all of this end. I could shape all this end, but I had to leave that part stuck on the lathe, so I couldn't really put the gilt cream on there properly because I'd still have the very top to do. So doing it that way, I could get the paints on, take it off the lathe, leave it to dry for 24 hours, then put it back on the lathe, part it off, and then just manually put on the silver or the gold gilt cream. These probably were the quickest things to turn full stop out of everything, but like with all the decorations so far, leaving things for 24 hours for paint to dry or gold gilt cream to dry, all just adds up to the time, so it's not like you can just quickly knock them all out in one go. So I did try to make the whole things really in a batch, so I could just do all the turning at once, do all the painting and colouring as I wanted, leave everything overnight, and then the following day you can come out and finish off with your next stage on there. With the ones which have got the colouring as well, they had that extra day, because you've got a day for your paint to dry and then a day for your gilt cream to dry before you could then put your eye hook in and then spray them again. And again, like with all of the things I've made so far, everything was just given a couple of coats of the spray lacquer, then left 24 hours to fully dry properly. Now hopefully you have been watching the entire series. This is day 10, so please do look below in the description for the full list of what all the days have been. So there have been things from baubles, bells, crackers, angels, Christmas trees, snowmen, all so far, as well as a few other things. So hopefully this lot has really inspired you to get out there and make some decorations, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow on day 11. Thanks a lot for watching.